નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we will study how to construct a rectangle OKAY. This is the topic of standard 8, chapter number 4, practical geometry. Okay, so till now we have done many constructions. So in today's class we will study to construct a rectangle. So let us see what we have given. To construct the rectangle OKAY, we have given only two dimensions. One is the side OK, that is of 7 centimeter. Second side is KA, and that is of 5 centimeter. Now think about it, how we can construct a rectangle just by the two dimension. Okay, so let us first of all construct a rough diagram, right? Whenever we draw the rough diagram, and when we put the dimensions whatever we have given, then after we get the idea how we can construct this rectangle with only two dimensions. Okay, so this is the we make a rough diagram of a rectangle, right? This is the fourth side. Okay, give it the name OKAY, either in the clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction, that you know now very well. Okay, so let us give it the name in the anti-clockwise direction, OKA and Y. Okay, you can give it the name from here also as a OKAY, or in the clockwise direction as a OKAY. That is up to you how you can give it the name. According to that, the construction we have to do. Okay, so now this dimension OK is given as a 7 centimeter and KA is of 5 centimeter. So only two adjacent sides we have given here. Now remember the property of the rectangle. According to the property of the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So this side is also of 7 centimeter. Okay, KA side and OY side is also equals. So this side is also of 5 centimeter. So is it enough to draw the rectangle? No, it is not enough to draw the rectangle. 4 dimensions are not enough. So now remember one more property of the rectangle, and what is that? In the rectangle, all the interior angles are of 90 degree, right? So all these angles are the right angles. So now how many properties we have? We have total of 8 properties, 4 sides and 4 angles. So now it is easy to draw the rectangle. Okay, let us start from the base. Okay, right, and that is of 7 centimeter. So first of all we will draw the base that is of 7 centimeter, right? So here is the scale. So we have to take a distance of 7 centimeter on the scale, right? So first of all we will draw the base. So if this is our 0, from here we have to draw a line that is up to 7 centimeter, right? So these 2 points we get here. This is the first point, this is the second point. So this point represents O and the second one is of K. Now what we have to do? We have to make a 90 degree angle at K and at O. So if you know how to use a compass and to construct a 90 degree, then it is very good. If you don't know, then you can use the D or this instrument to measure the 90 degree angle. So here we will use this compass to know how we can construct a 90-degree angle. So see how to construct a 90-degree angle. To do that, first of all take a radius, any radius. Then make a semicircle type arc in this way. Okay. So this is an arc we have made. Now what we have to do, with the same radius we have to point this, we have to keep the point here and make a arc on the previously drawn arc. Again choose this point and again draw an arc on the previously drawn arc. In the same way, with the same radius, one more arc you have to draw here. Okay, and with the same radius, with this point also we have to make an arc here, right? So here you can see that we get a point. And now what will happen, if we join this 2 point K and this point, then what will happen, if we join this 2 point, we get this kind of line. And how much angle is this? This angle is exactly of 90 degree. So the same thing we have to do at the point O. Okay, so let us do the same thing. Keep the point at O and make a semicircle in this way. Right? Now with the same radius make two arcs. One is here and second one is here. With the same radius also make one arc here, and now make one another arc from this point that will intersect this point. So here also like this we get one another point. Now join these 2 points O and this point. By joining this point we will get one more lines, that is will become the in this way. So here also this angle becomes of 90 degree. Now both the angles we have constructed. Now how much A is, how far A from the K, it is of 5 centimeter. Okay, so we can do this thing in two ways. One is to make a 5 centimeter on the scale. So this is 0 and this is 5 centimeter. Okay, now make one arc from the K on this line, and the same arc we have to draw from the point O, this two. So now here we get the 2 point. OK is already we have, this point is we get as a and this point we get as a Y. Now if we join both this point, then we get the fourth side of the rectangle. By joining these 2 points we get the fourth side of the rectangle. Okay, so here we have construct an rectangle OKAY in which only 2 sides OK and KA are given, right? So to draw this, first of all we must have to knowledge about the properties of the rectangle, that the opposite sides are equal and all the angles are of 90 degree, right? Okay, we can also write down here the dimensions. This OK is of 7 centimeter. In the same way this also is of 7 centimeter. This KA is of 5 centimeter and YO is also of 5 centimeter. Okay, so this all the angles are also, we know that, of 90 degree, right? So in this way we can construct any kind of quadrilateral, but first of all we must have the knowledge of the properties of that particular quadrilateral. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Okay, thank you for joining us.